In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search bar in Google Sites. Full Tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll have a clean, working search bar embedded directly on your Google Sites page, using a simple code snippet. Before we start, make sure you already have the embed code for the search bar you want to use. Many people use an iframe code from a site search tool, such as Google's programmable search engine. Keep that snippet handy so you can paste it in when prompted. First, open your site in Google Sites and switch to editing mode so you can make changes to the page where you want the search bar to live. Pick the section of the page that makes the most sense for your visitors. Often the header area, a sidebar, or the top of a content section works best for visibility and usability. Next, look to the right-hand Insert panel and choose Embed. This option lets you place external content right on your page without needing any complicated setup. When the Embed dialog appears, you'll see two choices, one for a URL and one for code. Click the Embed Code tab. This ensures you can paste the snippet provided by your search solution instead of trying to load a full-page URL. Now paste your search bar code into the box. If your provider gave you multiple versions, pick the iframe-based version. Google Sites generally supports iframes, while script tags may be limited or stripped for security. Also confirm your code uses HTTPS, not HTTP, so it loads securely. If your snippet includes width and height, that's fine. Those values help Google Sites render a proper preview. You can also adjust styling within the code if your provider allows it, such as setting a responsive width like 100%, so it fits your layout more naturally. When you're ready, click Next. Google Sites will validate the snippet and show a quick preview so you can confirm the search field appears as expected. If you see an error, double-check for typos, missing closing tags, or blocked elements. Swapping to an iframe version often resolves issues. Finally, click Insert. The search bar is now placed on your page as an embedded element. From here, it will function the way your provider designed it, typically letting visitors type a query and returning results within an embedded results frame or on a designated results page, depending on how your code is configured. That's it. You opened your site, chose Embed, switched to Embed Code, pasted your snippet, clicked Next, and then Insert. With those steps complete, your visitors can quickly find what they need right from your Google Sites page.